My dear students, today we will discuss the another topic which is called as pricing decisions. As you know, pricing is undoubtedly a vital decision in the area of the marketing, and we should get a good picture of the significance of pricing so that we can discuss in detail different issues relating to it. Therefore, it is prime concern for us that every organization has to understand what is the relevance and significance of the pricing decisions. As you know very well, that this particular topic is also going to be discussed with you all the students of the MCOM, the second semester. The lecture is again delivered by me. As you know, my name is Dr. Surendra Singh, working as Associate Professor and Chairperson Department of Commerce, Chaudhry Devilal University, Sirsa, Haryana. As far as price is concerned, many times we discuss what is the meaning of the price. Generally, we say price is the exchange value of the product. That may be exchange value of the product or the service both, maybe for product, maybe for service. You can segregate as per your choice, as per your relevance, as per your discretion. Generally, the price is very much important, or it is the only and only element in the marketing mix of a firm that creates or generates the revenue. Except this price, there are so many factors which are the part and parcel of the marketing mix. You know, product, place, promotion, physical evidence, people, process, all are there. But only and only the price is there which will be responsible for generation of revenue for any firm. Let us note down some points which will be clarified during discussion by me to know the detail or the detailed discussion of the various issues relating to the price. First point is element of marketing mix. As I stated earlier, it is one important aspect or one important element of the marketing mix. There are so many elements in the marketing mix under which we can say price is one of them element which is very much important in case of the marketing mix. Now, it is the way to generate revenue. Second point is noted down here, way to generate revenue. It means to say only and only the price is that factor, that element, that P of the marketing mix which is responsible for generation of the revenue as earlier stated by me. Third point is dependent factor for sales volume. It means to say the whole sales volume is depend upon the price. What price you fixed about your product, as and when you will change your price, the sales volume will increase or decrease. As you know very well, if I increase my price of my product, then sale will try to diminish or try to decrease itself. If I will minimize the price or decrease the price, sale may increase or it will try to increase itself. Therefore, the price is the independent factor and sales volume is the dependent factor, and the price becomes the determinant or the dependent factor for it. Mean to say, sale will not affect the price, but price will affect the sales. As and when you will change the price of any product, then sale may increase or decrease. It means to say, sale is fully dependent upon the price of the product. As and when you will change the price of the product, it will increase or decrease your sales volume. Next point is determinant of profitability. Determinant of profitability. It means to say the price is a particular factor which is responsible for calculation or for achieving the profitability of any firm, any organization, or any manufacturer. The profitability can be adjusted, can be calculated, can be estimated by observing the price of that product. Any kind of the product price, when you see the price of this product is very much high, automatically it will contribute to the profit. As I stated, it contribute to the revenue generation as well as, or resultantly or consequently, you can say that particular price will affect your profitability of the organization. Next one is dependent on competition. Dependent on competition. What it mean to say? It mean to say that as and when you will see competition is going on, there are so many competitors in the market. They try to, they will try to see what kind of the competition is going on. Anyone can observe, okay, what kind of the competition is going on. As and when they will see there are so many competitors which are available in the market, then I have to change my price. It becomes my responsibility. Why? Because of every competitor is there who will change or charge your price. It means to say, if there is a lot of competition, lot of competitors, what will happen? They will decrease the price of their product, and ultimately what happen? Your price will be affected by those competitors. Those competitors will give maximum products to the market, and to kill your product they will try to give maximum penetration of their product at the price which is lowest in comparison to your product. Therefore, the price is again dependent on competition. Here price is not independent. Price becomes dependent factor in terms of the change. As and when the competition is high, price may be low. If competition is low, then you can increase the price. Therefore, it is necessary to check what kind of the competition is there so that you can fix the price accordingly. Next one is highly risk and dynamic decision. Every firm, when they produce different kinds of the product, and they have to check out what kind of the decision is to be taken regarding the price, and they came to know which price will be fixed, because of, you know very well that if the price is low and your cost of production is high, what will happen? You will get loss. If you will increase the price accordingly, as per the situation, as per the competitive price, may not be purchased that product by the consumers. Mean to say, so many customers are there, they will not try to purchase that product. Therefore, it is necessary when you will fix your price. The fixation of the price is very much highly risky and dynamic decision. Every time it is dynamic. Every time you have to chase. Every time you have to observe that price decision. Therefore, when you are fixing the price of your product, you have to see everywhere and you have to check what is going on in the market. If you are very much observable or very much vigilant at that moment, then you can fix price in a proper manner. Otherwise, it is not feasible that we can chalk out the price of your product freely. The next point is exchange value of product and services. Another aspect which is available in this scenario, that is saying the exchange value of product is known as price. As I told earlier, price is the exchange value in terms of cash, in terms of money, in terms of funds, in terms of kind. Any form of the price may be there. I can purchase a product by giving rupees 10. I can purchase vegetable by giving the wheat on the basis of the price determination policy at that moment. Therefore, we are able to say, or we can say, price is the exchange value of the product or the services. Moreover, one word is again attached with it, pricing. Pricing is what? Pricing is the process to fix the price of your product or the service. Therefore, let me clear, price is simply exchange value of a product or a service, and pricing is the process to fix the price of any product or any service. Okay,